I received some of this woodworking tape, which comes in a pack of 3 like this. And what's interesting about this is it's not the kind of thick tape that you imagine double-sided tape to be. This is a thin tape, and it's got like a cloth structure running through it, matrix of this cloth. So let's see what happens. I'm just going to put this on a. Actually, I don't think I need a whole lot of this. I'm going to put this on here, and let's just stick it to the top of the desk here and see what happens. So get a piece like that, and a piece like this. And let's see how this comes off. So I guess you need to push this down first. Okay, that's come off easily. Let's see. Didn't get it quite flat there. Let's see what happens if we try and peel it up. Okay, so even though it wasn't totally flat, okay, it's stuck to this pretty well. So if I put this down, fasten that down, that's a pretty strong hold there on this piece. Okay, and if I want to get this up, okay, now it is moving a little bit there, but I think that's because I didn't. Well, look at that. That's interesting. It's left a little bit of. I think that's just some sawdust. Some dust came out of the bark. Okay, so that came up pretty easily. Let's see if I want to put that back down again. I think because of this part here, I didn't get that down quite straight. It's made it a little unstable. So that was my fault. I'm peeling this off now. Oh, look at that. I think that's quite impressive. Just roll this up. Let's try again I'm going to put some more tape and try and get this down nice and flat. Now I messed this side up. Okay, I'm going to take this off. Let's just try it. Let's give this a really fair chance. So if you're fastening something down to a CNC machine, the last thing you want is the thing to be moving around. Now it's got a little. Okay, you've got to be careful with the tape. So what I'll do is, oh, look at this. So you got to be careful with the edge too. It looks like it can get a little bit. Well, actually, the whole tape is like that. So it's. I guess you have to be very careful with this tape. Let's see if I can get this down nice and flat, so that it doesn't move around. Okay, that feels sort of okay. Okay, so that feels fairly flat. That feels good actually. And let's see how easy this is to take off. Okay, that came off easily again. So I guess the thing is you have to get used to using this tape, and just getting rid of some of the sawdust that came out. Okay, so if I put that down, press that down like that. There is a little bit of movement. I guess if I put the tape all the way across, it will be it would be more secure, but there's a little bit of flex there. So if I want to remove this, okay, that comes up pretty well. Comes up nice and easy. So if I were to put some more tape on here, let's just try that. Put this across here. I didn't want to overlap it. Okay. Now I think I've created a high spot there, which is not the best. Yeah, because it's got this kind of cloth weave inside of it. If that gets doubled over, then it's going to create high spots. Okay, so I've got a piece going across the middle there. Let's see if this reacts any differently. So I've got that, push that down. Of course, it's still nice and solid. And of course, you know, if you're lasering something, it's not going to get pushed around. You're not cutting this with a cutting tool. For lasering, I think this is great. I mean, you can still move it. The nice thing about this is you can take it off. If you had to reposition something, I like how this remained stuck to the wood in this case. I don't know if the adhesive, I can't imagine the adhesive on both sides is different, but it's staying stuck to the actual workpiece, which is a good thing. So if I were to you know, have to position this to a line or something, I could do that. It's solid. If I have to take it up, I can take it up. And I can reposition it. You can feel how I'm putting a lot of force on that, and you know, so just gently press on it, and I can reposition again. So this is good stuff. This is good stuff. I'm impressed with this, and I'll be using this on my little CNC laser.